Here we are, folks. We're out here at 7 acres, and we got Jake the plumber out here, and they are installing a septic tank. They're going to be putting the whole system in, which we'll be talking about as we go along. But here is our tank. I'm going to sneak down here. And hello, guys. Just doing a quick video for Casey for his tank.
Take some of them blockings and stick them over to the bank while I'm holding this tight in place. And then we can put some fill around it.
You see what they're doing there to making sure the tank is in there level and plumb, and making sure that way that when it flows correctly. He's got this young man out here on this freezing cold day, getting this braced in here. And there's the boss sitting on the tractor telling them how to do it. And that's how it's done. Anyway, folks, thanks for watching our videos. We'll do more, but this is a big old septic. Going to be a lot of a lot of crap come through there. Anyway, folks, thanks for watching our videos. And watch how they're doing it. What they're doing is he's putting in bracing around this, so when they start backfilling it, see that 2x4 here? Let's do this here. So he said a 2x4 right there, and he's doing the other one right there. And that way, when they put their backfill into it, it doesn't knock it off. Because naturally, it's all rounded. It will definitely be a problem, you know, if easy knockdown, especially as cold as this dirt is right now. We got a lot of big old frozen clay clods in here. But there it is right there, folks. So I'll back out. Watch him go to work. And thanks for watching our videos. Hit like, subscribe. I hope he don't hit this boy with the bucket. Thanks, guys, folks. Thanks for watching.